Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change language to any language on Super Mario Galaxy 1 and 2. I'll show you guys how to do it. Open the game, select the last option and select the emulation and select configure and go to system and in language click on the drop down and select the language you want. I'm going with American English and select the OK option and right click on the game and select start and select OK. And now the in-game language will be changed, guys. So as you can see, it is changed to English over here. And don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.